Morning. So this morning we are just done zigzag and just following behind Mark at the moment. He's training for a big holiday in France, so he's been doing really well, and yeah, he's pretty much ready. A couple of weeks to go, I think. But, so just a little social this morning.
There was a conversation at the swimming club
Right.
on Thursday that we might meet up for a little beer this afternoon.
Ooh. So during the rest of the ride, mostly I spent my time kind of reminiscing a little bit and thinking about my recent trip to Barcelona, where I tried out an e-mountain bike. If you want to check out this video, feel free, I'll leave a link in the description, but I'm also going to pop a few of the video highlights just in the side of this video, just for those that haven't already seen them. Obviously it wasn't an Orbea Gain, but you know, it might still be interested. It's a very keen comparison as well between, if anybody needs to know the difference between an e-mountain bike and the sort of motors that we're used to, it could be a useful comparison. Bravo! Car stranded. Bravo! We go left here, are we? No, I thought we were, I just...
The other dent maybe.
Yeah.